kittens, welcome and welcome back to Kitten Noire. If you're new here, I've started a series here on my channel called the Christmas Beauty Vault, and today we are doing episode 3. I went ahead and put on my foundation. That we have this Doja Cat Visions palette. Beautiful palette, summer inspired. The Morphe 2 Ocean Drive palette, beautiful colors. From Sample Beauty, we have the Hydrographic palette. Really beautiful. And we have the MAC A Sprinkle of Blues palette. Beautiful palette. I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue. Oh, that's pretty. This is the La Mercerie eyeliner from the Dollar Tree. I'm going in with the Revolution mascara. I think that's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead on with this Ruby Kisses contour and concealer duo. So, well, hopefully this contour is a bronzer on me. This is the bronzer that I'm going to use, or the contour that I'm going to use as a bronzer. So let's just see, I guess. Okay, I think it's enough. This on this side is starting to look like a bruise. This is definitely a contour and not a bronzer. I look crazy. But anywho, we're just gonna keep going with it. So I'm gonna take what I have already on the brush and go down my nose. For the liquid blush, I have the NARS Secret Lover. I think with NARS it's safe to put 2 drops because NARS is not as pigmented as Juvia's Place. It's a really pretty coral color. Well, I guess I see a slight tint on this side, but I really don't see anything on this side. So I'm gonna go in with a couple more dots of this NARS blush. All right, that's better. It is buildable though, so. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Cool Tan Concealer. The setting powder that came in this vault is the CoverGirl Pro Clean setting powder in the shade Translucent. And this is a very messy container. When I opened this whole top part came out. Just crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the powder bronzer from Lancome in the shade Deep Tan. It's a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. Ooh, it's really red. The blush in this vault is from Revlon, and this is the shade Rose Bomb. Here's what Rose Bomb looks like. Okay, I can see it. Can you all see it? It's a very nice kind of light blush. For face powder, we're using the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Here's what it looks like. And this is the shade Milk Chocolate. Today we're going to use the Kokie Define It Gel Eyeliner in black. Okay, I went a little heavy on the eyeliner, but that's okay. We're just going to keep it flowing. I want to take this purple and put underneath my eyes. We have the Artist Couture highlighter in Hot Damn. That's what it looks like. It's a beautiful champagne highlighter. I tried this lipstick. This is Matte Royale. Beautiful shade. So I put this on top of it. This is the True Matte Nicka K Lippy in the shade Cornflower Blue. Here's what that looks like. That is so beautiful, and I just plopped that in the middle. And since we're just having fun, why not? What I still need to do is put the highlighter on my cheeks. And then I went to go put on a top to accommodate the look. I tried. I tried, y'all. I guess let me know what you all think down in the comment section. Do you own any colorful lipsticks that are like crazy wild colors? Like, I used to wear blue lipstick, real talk. Really pretty though. Like, a lot of the eyeshadows I wasn't in favor of because it was so much fallout. Like, this Sample Beauty one from Beauty Bay was my least favorite. Colors are beautiful, but there's so much fallout, it's insane. Like, it's almost not worth it. The NARS blush, I thought that was beautiful. I feel like it could have been more pigmented, but I mean, I guess it's buildable, so I won't complain too much. And for the Revlon blush in Rose Balm, this is a beautiful shade. I just wish it was more pigmented, same. And then it's also a lot of fallout, a lot of kickback whenever you put your brush in it. The Black Radiance face powder, I did love this. I love this. I don't know why I ever stopped using it, but I like this. And then the Juicy Couture, the Artist Couture highlighter. This is flat out fabulous. This is gorgeous. A beautiful highlighter, no complaints whatsoever. MAC, I really didn't do too much with this, but you know what? I need to put in an inner corner highlight. So let's do that with this. I'm gonna wet the end of my brush with Fix Plus. And then I'm gonna get the white shade. I'm also gonna put it on my lips. Okay, that definitely took it up a notch. This eyeshadow palette is still a win to me. It's baked, so you have to kind of like wet your brush in order to get a good payoff. Nevertheless, look, it still performs well, so I have no negative thoughts on this. The Lancome bronzer, let's see. I remember wanting this so badly, and then I ended up getting it, and it looked like I never decided to touch it, but it's so beautiful. It really is. I mean, as red as it is, I think it's a beautiful bronzer. The CoverGirl setting powder, I did not favor too much. I mean, it's okay, and I definitely didn't like that this whole thing lifted out like this. This whole thing came out. The Doja Cat palette. This was not a fave either. It could have been more pigmented. A lot of fallout, kickback, all that. It's just... this had to have been my least favorite vault. And then this Nicka K Contour Artist Stick. This is definitely a contour and not a bronzer. Okay, the fact that I put that in there, it's like I was supposed to put something else in there. I know I was, and I forgot, just in case that didn't work out, just because I didn't know. Have you yourself ever worn a blue lipstick? Matte Royale is definitely a classic, and I am no stranger to color lipsticks and lippies and all that stuff. This is the 3rd episode of the Christmas Beauty Vault. If you haven't already, please like this video because it helps my small channel out and it's free, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the 4th episode of this series. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, kids.